Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and as I'm sure you guys know, if there are two things in this world that I love, it is fashion and celebrities. So I absolutely love this mini series that I'm doing on my channel where I'm reviewing celebrities' outfits from cheap brands, because I'm obsessed with trying to find a gorgeous celeb's outfit for cheap, because y'all know I cannot afford the designer brands that all of these celebs be wearing. So not too long ago I did a video where I reviewed Kylie Jenner's outfits that were made on Wish, and it was very interesting to say the least. But one of the top comments on that video was to review her outfits from Aliexpress, so that is what we are doing today. But before we get into that, I do want to remind you guys, because I always forget, to subscribe to my channel, because I love fashion and I love making these videos for you guys, and by subscribing it helps me out a lot to be able to continue to keep doing this. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Sorry for the angle change, I've just adjusted it a little because I wanted you guys to be able to see my cute little skirt, because I love this outfit and it's so cute and fun, and I wanted you to be able to see it. It's all from Shein and from a previous haul. If you want to watch that, I'll have it linked below. But anyway, not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about this first item, which is from Kylie Jenner. Well, not from Kylie Jenner, it's inspired by this outfit of Kylie. So I love the color pink, obviously, and it's my birthday soon, and I'm on the hunt for a cute birthday dress. So this has potential to be that birthday dress, because I mean, if it's good enough for Kylie, it's good enough for me. So let's open it up. I'm not loving it, but this is what the dress looks like. And as you can see, it is not very good material at all. What was this meant to look like? So looking at the photos, it kind of looks like the dress that Kylie had diamantes on it, or like some sort of jewel on it. Instead, this dress has just the print with sparkles. So it's not looking great. I hate this material because it's like a dance costume material, and I don't think it's gonna look too flattering on me, but we shall see. I'm not gonna judge it too much until we put it on, although one more judgment that I have before I put it on is that I don't think that this is gonna give me the desired neckline that I want. It's meant to sit in like kind of like that, but because there's not much here, I don't really think that's gonna happen. But let's just go put it on and see. Okay, this is what the dress looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and it's really disappointing. Unfortunately, the quality just really lets this dress down. There is no one that is going to get this dress and be like, yes, amazing, love it, can't wait to wear it out, because it just looks like a bad dance costume. So I've just looked at the price, and it was only 11 Aussie dollars, which is insanely cheap, but you definitely get what you pay for with this dress, which is so disappointing, because as I said, I really wanted to be able to wear this on my birthday coming up, and I'm definitely not wearing this. It does not look cute at all. Like, if we put the photo of Kylie and then the photo of me, I look ridiculous. So it is just such a poor quality. And as I mentioned earlier, well, not as I mentioned earlier, as I suspected earlier, the neckline also doesn't do any favors. It doesn't do the cool ruching on the front here. Not ruching, that's not the right word. It doesn't do the cool like little dippy thing. It just doesn't look right, and this dress is just really disappointing. It's also very see-through, very see-through. So I think I might have just flashed you, my apologies, but it is extremely see-through. Like, I was wearing darker underwear before, not too dark, like they were gray, and you could see it all, everything. So it's just not a great dress and super disappointing. So that was one of Kylie Jenner's more girly outfits. Now we have one of her more crazy ones. So this is going to be interesting, to say the least. And this is the item. It is this leopard print jumpsuit, which actually looks a lot like the photo. I'm very impressed. It's not very good material, however, it is better than that last one. So I'm not seeing any major flaws in this, and I'm very impressed that it looks exactly like the photo. So where would I wear this, you may ask? I have absolutely no idea. It's definitely not something I would wear unless it's like a Halloween costume dressing up as a cat, because like, where did Kylie Jenner wear this? Probably just for Instagram, which for Kylie is fair enough because so many people are gonna see it anyway. But it's interesting, to say the least. So let's just go put it on and see what it looks like, because again, with this piece, like with the pink dress, I think I need to have like my body in it to be able to get the full effect. So I don't know what the heck just happened. I didn't have my camera on, but I just fully stacked it. I walked over here to put these heels on with this outfit because I thought they looked cute. I don't even know. I'm blaming the gloves because I hate wearing gloves, but I fully nearly went through this damn wall. I splattered onto it and fell onto the floor. What is wrong with me? And why didn't I have the camera on? That's what I want to know. This is a shared wall, and people on the other side are probably like, what the heck is happening in there? But okay, I'm gonna put these shoes on now, and I have the camera on in case anything bad happens again. Did you hear that? Stitches just popped. What else can go wrong? Alright, so this is what the outfit looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back. And I checked and this outfit was something like a $7 or something. My knee is actually hurting from when I fell. I don't know how to portray to you guys like how badly I just stacked it. I fully slammed into the wall. Like slammed. I wasn't wearing heels either. I was just walking and completely stacked it. As I said, I'm blaming the gloves because I absolutely despise wearing gloves. Taking off the gloves, I'm sorry. I know I'm being a baby about it, but it's like actually annoying me so much. But the outfit looks a lot like Kylie's outfit. I'm very impressed with it. And so I tried to do some research on where Kylie wore this. I don't think she wore it anywhere. I think she maybe wore it skiing. If not, it was just for a photo. But there was another leopard print outfit that she wore, and she wore it with some black heels. So I thought, you know what, I'll put on some black heels and style it up like her. And this is what we have. And like, you walk into a party and I'm wearing this. What are you doing? Probably leaving because you're like, why is it go away? Like, it's not a cute piece, but if it's something that you like, this is a great dupe for the designer piece because it looks exactly like the photo. But I want to get out of this now because I'm terrified that I'm just going to stack it into the wall again because I don't know why I did that with this outfit, but I did. This next outfit is one that Kendall Jenner actually wore. So I absolutely love taking style inspo from Kendall Jenner because we have similar body types, which a fun little style tip for you guys. If you are struggling with your style and don't know what to wear, try and find a celebrity that has a similar body type to you and take notice to what they wear because they have a bunch of professional stylists around them making sure that they look amazing all the time. So you can just piggyback off that and wear similar things. So Kendall and I don't look similar, but we are both tall and quite slender. So that is why I am excited to try this on. So this is an iconic piece that Kendall wore. It went like viral on the internet and I really hope that this is going to be a good dupe for it. So this is the item. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought that this was a jumpsuit, but apparently not. Okay, so we first of all have this tank top. Looks pretty cute. I love the little detail of the scoop. It doesn't have any boning or anything in it, but for the price, didn't really expect it to. So that's cute. And then we have the matching pants, which are just a pair of black pants. And honestly, this looks exactly like Kendall Jenner's outfit. This is really poor quality. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's not great quality, and I have a feeling Kendall's probably was a bit better. Like, this is definitely gonna go see-through after a few washes. It's not yet, but it definitely will be. And these pants just aren't great, but it might be okay for a couple of wears, so let's just go put it on and see how it fits. So this is what the outfit looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and I love this fit. It was the most expensive out of all three items, but I think, well, most expensive. It was like $17 or something crazy. I'll put on the screen how much, but I think that this is definitely my favorite. I mean, look at it. It is amazing. I love it so much. So, as you guys saw, I actually thought that this was a jumpsuit, but instead it is a two-piece. And I looked in the photo of Kendall Jenner, and I'm pretty sure that she's wearing a two-piece as well. It's just hard to tell because, you know, you have it covering each other, which is great. These pants, though, extremely tight. They are so tight that I really wasn't sure I was even going to be able to get them on. So just keep that in mind, that they are incredibly tight, but it's good because it then gives me more of like an hourglass figure, which I definitely don't have. I'm more of like a ruler, so I will take what I can get. And it's pretty comfortable as well. So overall, I love this fit. It's, you get what you pay for quality wise. Like, it's not amazing quality by any means, but it does look like the photos and fits me really well. So I'm really happy with it. And that is the last item in today's video. I did order another one, but in classic Aliexpress fashion, this item did not show up and I don't know what's happened to it. So I'm gonna have to try and get a refund for that. But those were the Kylie Jenner and Kendall Jenner outfits from Aliexpress. What did you guys think? Be sure to comment down below where I should try their outfits from next. I'm trying to see if I have the money to do a video from the Kardashian closet where we can actually try the Kardashians' real outfits that they've worn, but it's very expensive, so I'm saving up for that video. But in the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all that fun stuff. And of course, my vlog channel as well, as that really helps me out. I love you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah!